In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Gemini. We're going to keep things simple and clear. First, you'll open a Google Meet session using a provided link, and then you'll head to Google's Gemini subscriptions page to click Upgrade and explore what's available. Along the way, I'll share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your preferred browser and making sure you're signed into your Google account. This helps avoid any access prompts later. Now, use the Google Meet link you were given for this session. You can click it directly or paste it into the address bar. When the Meet page loads, take a quick moment to get set up. You'll see controls to check your microphone and camera. If you're in a quiet space, you're good to go. If not, consider using headphones to reduce echo. You can toggle your camera off if you prefer audio only, and you can adjust your background or lighting to keep the focus on you. Captions are also available in many regions if you want extra clarity during conversations. If the page asks for permission to use your mic or camera, allow access so others can hear and see you. With these quick checks done, the session is ready on your end, and you can proceed with your meeting confidently. When you're finished or ready to move on, open a new browser tab and go to the Gemini subscriptions page. This is where you'll manage access to Gemini features and see upgrade options. On that page, look for the Upgrade button and click it. Clicking Upgrade brings up the available plan details, so you can review what's included before making any decisions. You may be asked to confirm the Google account you're using. That's normal, especially if you have multiple accounts on the same device. Plan names, features, and pricing can vary by country or region, and taxes may apply, so read the on-screen information carefully. If you're on a work or school account, note that some organizations limit upgrades, and you may need to use a personal account for full access. Take a moment to check the feature list so you know exactly what you're getting, like expanded usage limits or advanced capabilities. If you see a trial option, the page will explain how it works and when billing would begin. Nothing is finalized until you confirm on the screen, so feel free to explore without worry. That's the process. Open your Google Meet link to get set up, then visit the Gemini subscriptions page and click Upgrade to review your options. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.